model, 2019 Peugeot Boxer 2.0 Hdi Luton low loader drives needs head gasket repair Euro 6 Vat Inclusive. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 200,000. MOT, the 12th of May 2026. Engine, 1997 ccDW10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Still starts and drives fine, engine clutch and gearbox are good. No warning lights on the dash. Straightforward head gasket replacement job. VAT is included in the price. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average